Bhindi AI is an agentic AI website that allows you to type prompts and actually get agents to do multiple steps of research, creation, and potentially some automation for you, all from that singular prompt. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And once you sign into Bhindi, you'll be able to see that there are actually a few one-click prompts we've got here. And I'm just going to read these out just to give you an idea of what you can actually do with this platform. So one of the first one-click prompts that we're being given here is find remote UX designer jobs above 120K. List top 5 hiring companies, use Perplexity to get direct contact emails, draft a concise outreach email, and you can see the different platforms this particular prompt will be using. You can also generate a sunset of mountain lake with pine trees and cabin, create a 30-second soothing narration that matches the scene. Okay, so that's another singular prompt you can do that will utilize multiple integrations or websites and actually get that done for you. You can also research recent product launches and their campaigns using Perplexity, create a blog outline in Notion, fetch 3 images, and send a summary to the Slack marketing channel, which is a pretty cool integration. That's using quite a few apps that a lot of people use on a regular basis. And I guess this platform really just wants to stop or save people the time that it would take to switch between applications. And lastly, the final example we've got here is find top YouTube influencers in the Web3 space via YouTube search, extract contact info where available, compose a collaboration pitch in Gmail, and track replies in Google Sheets. So now these are quite comprehensive prompts. Certainly not something that ChatGPT could do just off the bat. And what I'm going to do here is I'm actually also going to show you the directory of integrations Bhindi has access to. And yeah, these are just some of the things you can actually hook up in your prompts so that your agent can, use these platforms to do its research and then, create any sort of content that you need potentially for your, personal life or for anything professional. So I'm going to go back here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to click on this integration and see what we get. Cool. So as you can see, it's saying these AI platforms have joined the chat, which is pretty cool. So you can see which particular platforms it's using. Now we've got Perplexity here, Notion here, Unsplash, and Slack, which is all the tools and the platforms that we're going to need to carry out this specific prompt. As you can see, it's searching on Perplexity right now. Okay, so it's saying it can't actually get databases from Notion, but I think this is because I haven't actually connected my Notion. So yeah, you may want to do that if you actually want to use this integration. So yeah, in this case, I haven't connected my Notion, so I'm just going to click skip. Cool, so it said the Notion integration isn't properly connected just because I haven't signed in. Let's proceed with creating a blog outline here, and then we'll find some images. And then of course, yeah, it's found some images as you can see. And it's looking to send that to Slack, but I haven't connected my Slack channels. But yeah, as you can see, it's still giving me the output. It says I see the Slack integration isn't properly connected either. Let's continue with what we have and create a comprehensive summary that you can manually share with your marketing team. And here we have it, a nice comprehensive summary. Now, this can be a really cool way to, manipulate information and also do some research in a very streamlined way and create that content in a form that can be shared back. We've even got images here, which you can see. And yeah, we've got the summary that we can actually still copy and paste into Slack. Now this is pretty cool. Even though I haven't connected my Notion and Slack, you can still see I can easily copy and paste it. So if you prefer not to connect those integrations of yours, you can actually still use these platforms in a slightly more manual way. But if you have to run prompts like this very often, then yeah, it may be worth just connecting those integrations to really streamline your workflow. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.